Funded trader. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this prop firm, the funded trader. Now before we start the video, make sure you watch the video till the end because this involves your money. Okay, so you are doing your research, probably looking at this prop firm, maybe making up your mind whether should you go and buy the challenge for this from this prop firm or not. Okay, so hold on to your money and watch the video till the end because, it will be helpful to you. Now, before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, I have left some links for you as well. So I will tell you a prop firm, which I personally use. So if you go and click on the first link here saying check out best prop firm forex brokers, you can check out that prop firm later on, which I am using currently. Okay. Now, coming back to this funding kingdom, funded trader and all that stuff on the website, trade up to 600,000 on a TFT account, blah, and blah. Their website looks like the Disney animation. Doesn't look like a trading website to me. It looks like that's running some animation websites. I'm not sure what they're trying to achieve. Here we have phase 1, phase 2. You know what? I will not bullshit around with this, okay? That this is a challenge and all the crap, okay? What I am interested in knowing is, let's straight away, first of all, find out when did this company started. So it shows here this funded trader company website was registered back in 2021 and expiring in 2032. So it's like a fairly new company, 4 years old, maybe, okay. But if I come back again, I don't have a, if I click on challenge and all the other bullshit, I don't care about this challenge. I have something interesting for you. Go to Trustpilot, okay? On Trustpilot, they have 4.4 reviews out of 5, almost 3,500 reviews, okay? Now, what do I need to check on Trustpilot? When you check reviews for any company on Trustpilot, you need to make sure that, especially if it's a financial thing, okay? So you have to read in the reviews that are people complaining about technical problems, service problem, customer, related problems, or they're saying that they did not receive their money. So if a company has bad reviews regarding some technical problems, not working, this and that, I'm fine with that because that can be fixed. But if I see reviews on internet where people clearly tell that this company did not pay their payouts, I'll fuck that company, which means I will not join. And if I join, then I will do something about it if they don't give my money back. Okay, at least I can make a YouTube video and leave some reviews. Okay, so let's see what is happening with funded trader here. Forget about the green reviews. Green reviews are mostly fake. Okay. For any company, green reviews will be mostly fake because we are living in a digital era. In digital era, marketing can be manipulated. People can be hired to leave fake reviews, okay? So we will not worry about the green reviews. Let's go for 1 star. In 1 star, what do we have? The recent one is 4 days ago from Amandus, from NO, I think Norway maybe. So it says making up rules as they go, downscaled my account after passing my evaluation because I risk too much per trade when I only risk 0.5 to 1% per trade and never broke the consistency score rule. I believe this review. Okay. I believe this is a genuine review because clearly mentioned this trader, what we say, risks only 0.5, as mentioned here, you see 0.5 to 1% per trade. And they have passed the challenge. Fuck the risk. They have passed the challenge. You only pass the challenge if you follow the rules. And after that, you know what happens when you pass the challenge? It's time to pay. They will make a new rule and say, oh, you did not follow this rule, so we can't pay you. So that is review number 1. Review number 2 is from Italy. Doesn't pay even if you have followed all the rules. Wow. My experience with how many days ago? 4 days ago. My experience with funding traders was extremely bad. Stay away from this prop firm. They're stealing your money. From the start, there was a lack of transparency in their operations. The rules seem to shift without notice. Everybody is, you will notice when you come and see these reviews yourself, you will notice one common thing is that rules keeps changing without notice. That's what everybody is saying in these reviews, okay? So lack of transparency, blah, 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 and rules seem to shift without notice. Evaluation criteria were vague and inconsistently applied, and the customer support doesn't exist. This is something I would like to emphasize here right now, because a lot of prop firms, they don't have any chat support. You can't chat with the prop firms, like, you have to email them, wait for them to wake up, and then how it works. They don't care. Trust me, other prop firms don't care. But the prop firm which I am using, which you will find out if you click on the link below, that firm has a live chat support. You can chat with them live. Like, if you have a forex broker, you chat with them Monday to Friday. Similarly, you can chat with the prop firm which I'm using live. No waiting for email, live chat. Okay. So this funded trader don't have a support as per the user, which I believe. And then after 4 or 5 days, they take to receive the answer. That does not solve the. Obviously, this will be a pathetic robotic email response, even in which they will just copy and paste some bullshit, and that will not make sense. You're saying my problem is this, and they will sing another song. Okay, you know how robotic responses works. So the real issue began when I reached the funded account. At first, I passed 200K, blah blah blah. They only gave me 100K. I was able to make this much, so I can't read this long review. But you can come and spend your own time. Bottom line is, it's a genuine review, I believe, because nobody, you know what? Nobody is gonna waste time in writing this much unless they are hurt or they are honest. So this is a genuine, real review, okay? And this company is fucked up, I can tell you. This funded trader is fucked up. I'm not gonna read the response, okay? It's all fucked up. So we have Eric from Estonia, maybe 5 days ago. Next gen account broken. I want to share my negative experience with them, specifically with their next gen funded account. In my case, I had 25,000 account, blah, blah, blah. I had a bad trading there, blah, blah, blah. So you can go and read it, uh, people now get, as soon I see the reviews about any forex broker or about any offer in which I find out they did not pay, the moment I see people complaining, oh, I did not get my withdrawal, just fuck that company, okay? And then don't worry about the response. It's a copy bullshit response. You see here, this is what I'm talking about. Copy paste bullshit response, okay? You know what? I'm lucky. I'm lucky that the prop firm which I'm using has have a light chat support. And the brokers which I'm using, you know what? They are really humans. If I email my broker, they would read my problem, in the email, and from the reply which I get from the support from my broker, it feels, you can read that email and it will feel that some actual human has typed that reply, not this kind of bullshit reply, okay? So if you come here again and you click on the first link, and then I'll show you actually what I'm talking about, okay? So the first link, if you scroll down, the first link is about the prop firm, and 1, 2, 3, these are the brokers which I'm recommending. So top 3 brokers are the same company but for different countries. And then this is the broker number 2. I am using third link. So this is the broker I use. My broker is like when you email them, actual human being is responding to your emails and understanding and addressing your problem. Similarly, in my prop firm, live chat. You can chat with them. Okay, that's one. So this again, what is this funded trader? Again, somebody from PK, Pakistan, if that's in a country. Hello, folks. So this is their review. So let's go further down again from PK, if that's in a country. So we have OM, I don't know which country, Oman maybe. So number 1 scam firm, you cannot get a payout, just daylight scam, cannot even place limit orders and you will never get payout. It says here, we strongly disagree with your statements as they're entirely inaccurate and misleading. Funded traders operate with the blah, 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 blah. To date, we have thousands of payouts, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But the guy is saying did not receive. So whom you gonna believe? Let's see what do we have from Julia from LT Lithuania, I guess. I don't know. 1 year of bad experience. Once you purchase your account, they will change the rules. I just told you that one common thing in these reviews, you will see that they change the rules without notice and applying to all your freshly bought accounts, usually after sales when they see a lot of new accounts, blah, blah, blah. In general, their policies to do everything and avoid you from success. That's how prop firm works. And, it is very, very difficult to find a genuine prop firm. Fortunately, I have one, live chat support they give you. And you can come and check the reviews here yourself. Don't believe me. Come on Trustpilot, check Funded Trader account, website reviews here, and you can read in your free time. It's 24th of April. This is from Vietnam. Worst experience of my life. My payout withdrawal was requested on to 2/17, which is 17 February, and this is 11th of March. Oh yeah, and they give bullshit about news trading as well. This fucking company, new Funded Trader, they bullshit about some news trading, that the money which you have made during news trading, that should be less than 50% of your total fucking payout. Go suck my dick, motherfuckers. If you don't, it's a scam. Okay, just get over with. Okay, so I think I have shown you enough reviews. If you want to do more research, you can come on Trustpilot, type in their website fundedtraders.com, and just go and feast your eyes. Okay, so if a person like me who doesn't take time to learn and sixth sense, we have a thing, we have a third eye located in the center of our forehead, which is invisible. That's called sixth sense. So an experienced person like me can figure out it's a fucking scam. Okay, and a scam means that it's not going to happen with everybody. You have to understand the way the multi-millionaire scam works. A multi-millionaire scam works in a way that there will be people who will say that I received my payout, because they did receive the payout. But on the other end, there will be people who will say they did not receive the payout. So let's say if you run a multi-million company in which you're paying, in which let's say you have 1,000 employees, and out of 1,000 employees, you pay 200 employees, but if you don't pay to 900 employees. So then they can use those 100 employees to prove that we are paying. Or what about those 900 employees who are not getting paid? The same thing is happening with online scam business. You can't call them full scam, but you also can't call them genuine. Because if you will find reviews or people on YouTube showing that they received the payout from Funded Trader, I get it. Some people receive it because some people are sent the payouts. But come on Trustpilot, people not receiving payouts. That is also a true story. Okay, so this is how the multi-million scam works, in which some people will be paid to act as a proof that the company pays out, but majority of the people will be scammed. So if you're smart enough, you know what to do. Okay, so I think you know what to do now. But if you want word of mouth from me, and if you want to join a proffer which gives you 24/5 support or 7 support, live chat support, then click on the first link, come to this page. Trusted firm, trusted brokers, real people you can talk to over the email or the chat. Go check them out. And that's all from me. If you like what I see, subscribe. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, check out these links, join my Telegram if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.